Hey everyone, it's another session at Heathrow Airport. I got it wrong. I decided to drive down to Pattern Cross Station, but they're not coming down this area, so I'm just going to get the number 90 bus over to the other viewpoint. Alright, I'll see you there. Phone's 100%, should be all good for a while. Airbus A350, Virgin Atlantic. Where I am, everyone, the right spot. As you will see, I'll show you. I don't know what that is. I think that's probably an A321, I reckon. I am looking at my radar, but I'm getting better at knowing them. That's right, A321. It was coming in from Barcelona, British Airways. I would have done some filming on the bus, but I couldn't get a seat, and I probably would have, fell over or something stupid. Because you see some good sights of the British Airways aircraft parked in the hangars, A350, British Airways coming from Texas. Boeing 767-3CP coming from New York. Boeing 777, registration GYMMJ. Registration CHJKC, Airbus A330, Air Canada. United Boeing 7879 Dreamliner. Airways Boeing 7878 Dreamliner. Virgin Atlantic Airbus A330. Turkish Airlines Boeing 777. Virgin Atlantic Airbus A330. United Airlines Boeing 7879 Dreamliner. Delta Airlines Airbus A330. British Airways, Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner. Boeing 777 Air India. Boeing 777 British Airways. Boeing 787 Dreamliner, Virgin Atlantic. Airbus A350, Virgin Atlantic. Airbus A330 Air Canada. Boeing 777 Air Canada. Boeing 777 British Airways. Delta Airlines Airbus A330. British Airways Airbus A350. Good thing is about Sundays, not as many buses coming around. Yeah, I don't know if you heard me then, the aircraft was coming in. Good thing is about on a Sunday there's nowhere near as many buses coming around, so it's just much easier. Less many, moments where I had to cut it or whatever, or, Virgin Atlantic, Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. United, Boeing 767. British Airways Boeing 777. British Airways Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner. Boeing 777 Dreamliner, 10 Dreamliner. British Airways Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner. British Airways Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. American Airlines, sorry. British Airways Airbus A350. Boeing 777 British Airways. Almost hampered by the bus, but no, not today. Boeing 767 Delta Airlines. Virgin Atlantic Airbus A350. British Airways Airbus A380. Thank God there's no buses involved to mess this one up. United Airlines Boeing 777 was the Star Alliance livery. Haven't seen this one before. Virgin Atlantic Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Another British Airways Airbus A380. There we go. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. Yeah, it was a pretty good capture of all large aircraft. I know it's mainly Virgin Atlantic, Delta Airlines, Canada, British Airways, a couple of other ones, but you never know what you're going to get. Right, again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of thing. See you soon. Thank you very much. Appreciate you all.